Oh!
Starting to repair an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So why did it break again a month after the first repair? The second time, it failed again and wouldn't turn on. The fan left it aside until now before deciding to repair it. Most likely, they already replaced it with a new phone. If you've watched this far, you're definitely a true fan. Please double tap the screen and give me a like. Thank you for your support. We open the phone, everything is clean and tidy. First, we protect the Face ID components and front camera. From here, we can see the motherboard has been repaired before. We remove the screen to check the screen hasn't been worked on. So this time, I recommend you watch the whole video, because this issue might help you too. Based on the fan's description, we've already roughly identified the problem. We've seen this issue many times before. We remove the motherboard. Upon inspection, the motherboard has definitely been repaired before. The shielding and edges have turned yellow, indicating the previous repair involved extended high heat. So is the current issue related to the previous repair? Let's keep watching. We peel off the stickers, remove the foam padding, and choose to heat the motherboard. Why heat it? Let's continue. When the motherboard is hot, we power it up again and press the power button. You'll notice that the phone turns on. Why is that? Here's a little knowledge for you. The motherboard has upper and lower layers. Each layer has around 10 internal circuit layers. We separate the upper and lower layers of the 14 Pro Max motherboard. We confirm again the motherboard was previously repaired. After close inspection, just like the fan said, the previous repair only reattached the board layers without fixing any specific chips. Due to thermal expansion and contraction, Apple boards often have this problem. When hot, it works for a while. Once cool or after a while, it fails again. This issue is due to problems between layers. To ensure no missing pins under the CPU, we place it on a heating platform, then remove it with a hot air gun. After removing the CPU, we clean and flatten the pads, scrape off the black adhesive. After prepping the area, we apply solder paste to the CPU and heat to melt each solder ball. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Once done, we apply flux and realign the solder balls again. Make sure every solder ball is full and even. Done with that, we remove the original storage chip. On the top layer of the board, 3 chips need to be transferred to the CPU, storage, and baseband logic chip. After flattening the storage chip, we reball it with solder. Only by transferring these to a new baseboard can we power on and preserve the data. Once prepped, we bring in a new baseboard. First, install the fan's original storage chip. Heat until it's spring heat installation complete. Remove the logic chip from the new baseboard, then remove the logic chip from the fan's original board. Be careful if it's cracked or lost. The phone is completely done for. Mount it onto the new baseboard. Once that's done, install the CPU, gently align it. Installation complete. Cool down the board. Clean the A15 CPU. Power up the standalone board. Connect the screen and battery. Press the power button. Apple logo lights up successfully. It even reaches the home screen. Due to power limitations, it shuts off again. This is normal. Reaching the home screen means CPU, storage, and logic chips are working fine. We apply solder paste to the lower board layer, add new solder balls, and heat each one to melt it. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Once melted, let it cool down. Clean off the thermal paste. Apply new paste to the A15 CPU. Reattach the upper and lower board layers until they align perfectly. Dual layer board installation complete. Power it on again for a simple test. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Successfully reaches the home screen. Enter fan's password and test functionality, especially Wi-Fi and baseband, as these chips are on the lower layer. Also test audio, charging, camera, etc. It's a 256 GB Chinese iPhone 14 Pro Max. Baseband, Wi-Fi, camera, and sound all work normally. We remove the screen again, take out the motherboard, apply black adhesive around the storage chip to secure it, clean the back of the motherboard, reapply all original stickers. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Backside done. Now clean the front. Reapply stickers and padding. Okay, motherboard restoration complete. To fix issues like works when hot, fails when cool, or no boot, or issues with sound/camera of board transfer is the only option. Wi-Fi and baseband are on the lower board. If those go bad, you must transfer the lower board. The upper board contains logic functions booting, charging, storage. To fully solve the issue, board transfer is necessary. If you were in this situation, would you choose to repair it? We clean the case, reinstall the board, reattach the screen, screw everything back in place, final round of dust cleaning, peel off the waterproof seal sticker and the Face ID protector, close the phone, put it into a clamping tool for pressure. After pressure sealing, screw in the final 2 bottom screws, clean the phone one last time, power it on again. Success.